Ever pondered the contents of your plate and wondered about the journey of each ingredient from farm to fork? Or perhaps you've considered the health implications of your dietary choices. If so, the idea of a plant-based diet may have crossed your mind. In the world of plant-based diets, there are three main players: vegan, vegetarian, and flexitarian. Veganism, perhaps the most well-known, is a lifestyle choice that excludes all animal products, from the meat in your sandwich to the honey in your tea. This diet is often adopted for a multitude of reasons, including ethical beliefs, environmental concerns, and health benefits. Next, we have the vegetarian diet, which is a little more lenient. While meat is still off the table, some animal-derived products like dairy and eggs might make an appearance. Within this category, there are subsets such as lacto-vegetarian, where dairy is allowed, and ovo-vegetarian, where eggs are acceptable. Lastly, the flexitarian diet offers the most flexibility. It's primarily plant-based, but it doesn't completely rule out the occasional indulgence in meat or other animal products. These diets, while diverse, share common benefits. They're nutrient-rich, promoting heart health and aiding in weight management. Thanks to their high fiber content, they can also contribute to improved digestive health. Additionally, certain plant-based foods have been associated with a lower risk of cancer due to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Beyond personal health, plant-based diets cast a smaller shadow on our environment, offering a more sustainable alternative to animal agriculture. Furthermore, they often align with ethical beliefs concerning animal welfare. However, these diets do come with challenges. Careful planning is necessary to ensure adequate protein intake, with good sources including legumes, tofu, tempeh, and seitan. Vegans in particular need to be mindful of getting enough vitamin B12 and iron, which are primarily found in animal products. And as with any diet, balanced meals are crucial. Culture and personal preferences also play a significant role in our food choices. A plant-based diet may require some adaptation to meet individual needs and tastes. In conclusion, plant-based diets offer numerous benefits, but it's essential to tailor your approach to your personal preferences and nutritional requirements. Consulting with a registered dietitian can help you plan a balanced and sustainable plant-based diet that aligns with your health and ethical goals. So, the next time you look at your plate, remember, every bite is a chance to make a choice for your health, for the environment, and for a sustainable future.